Dan, can you give us the history of Grundon Waste Management?
Yeah, absolutely. So the history of Grundon Waste Management is we were founded by Stephen Grundon in 1929, and we've been going ever since. So it actually started that Stephen Grundon was delivering sand and gravel, but on his way back from deliveries found that he was travelling back empty, so picked up rubbish, and that's where the actual waste collection side of it came from.
Grundon offers a range of waste management services. What are your unique selling points?
I mean, as a company, we offer what we call a total waste management package. So there's not a waste we can't deal with. So aside from your normal general waste and recycling waste, we offer hazardous waste collections, clinical waste collections, industrial cleaning, on-site and off-site shredding. So we offer that total waste management package. So people or companies that want to keep their waste collections under one umbrella, they know they can come to Grundon and we can do that. On top of that, if they're thinking about carbon emissions and as well as recycling rates, which is a common thing these days, we're one of only a handful of waste management companies now that have a carbon neutral fleet. So when we come to your site and make a collection, it's carbon neutral, and we do that through working with a company called the Carbon Neutral Company, and it's all done through offsetting carbon emissions through a reforestation project in Uganda that we support.
And how would you like to engage with the business community in Cheltenham?
Yeah, so we are looking really to engage with businesses in the Chamber by working with them to increase their recycling and recovery rates, working with them to do that, to achieve the maximum rates that they can physically get, really. So we want to work and get to know companies within the Chamber to be able to offer that. We want to offer them an easy way of dealing with waste, a stress-free way of dealing with it, giving them their accurate data, quickly and efficiently, and being able to work with them and offer any type of waste collection that they need, really. That if they walk into their place of work and they see something they need to get rid of or an ongoing problem, we can come in, we can speak to them, we can deal with that. And we see the Chamber as a good way of interacting with companies across our county and helping them with those issues. Yeah, well, we're very proactive in working with the local community. An example of that is we've worked with Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust now for over 20 years, and we've done some really quite exciting and rewarding projects with them. We also support things like the Women in Business Awards, the Cotswold Life Manufacturing Engineering Awards, and we see being part of the Chamber another way of getting involved with the local community and being out there and supporting things.
And for the next 1 to 3 years, what are you hoping to achieve?
So the next 1 to 3 years for us, we're planning on expanding our geographical locations. So at the moment, we're not a national company. We cover like the Thames Valley area, sort of the M4 corridor, with sites here in Cheltenham, Reading, Berkshire area, Oxfordshire, and into London. So geographically, I think we're looking at expanding. We are looking at increasing the facilities, the services, and looking at being able to give customers more accurate data quicker and more efficiently even still. So we've invested in a lot of technology, really, and we continue to do so. For example, weighing gear on the backs of lorries, so we can actually weigh a customer's bin and we can tell them what they got rid of in a year exactly. I mean, we don't do domestic waste collections from here in Cheltenham. We do commercial, but we take in domestic waste. So we take in the recycling from Tewkesbury Borough Council, and that's dealt with here at our Bishop's Cleeve depot. So by investing in new facilities, we are helping household and commercial people.